Have you ever thought making up to $150 per day just by typing names? I mean, how awesome is that? Let me show you how it works when you type a name like Anthony, George, or Joan. This is truly a once in a lifetime opportunity, and as you guys can see, entering one page of names will pay you $150, and 5 pages are gonna pay you $750 just by typing names. Now, of course, the more you type, the more you make, and hence why this is truly a once in a lifetime opportunity. The best aspect is that there are no limits. You may type as much as you want and make as much money as you want or as little money as you want. You absolutely need no fancy equipment whatsoever. All you need is just your smartphone or your phone, and that's it. So make sure not to miss out on any part of this video, because if you do, well, then you might miss out on something very important and it might not work for you. Now, this method also works worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you live. You guys can live anywhere in the world. Afghanistan, Pakistan, America, the USA, Russia, it doesn't matter where you live. This method will work for you. And also, if you guys would like more make money online tips, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe as well, just so that you don't miss out on our future videos. So keeping that in mind, now let's move on with the video. Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you guys to come on to talentdesire.com. This is the first website that we're going to be featuring in our video. And over here, once you guys come on to talentdesire.com, you guys can basically see that this particular website is going to give you many different jobs that you guys can choose from. You guys can select an online job from home and apply for free from all over the world. And then after that, once you guys, of course, have your desired job, after that, you guys can work at home and tap into a global network of work. And you can also start work as well, and you can even collect your earnings too. Now over here, this is where they have all the jobs. So they have many different jobs that you can choose from. They have online survey jobs, and these survey jobs are going to pay you up to $5.0 to upwards of up to $75 or more per paid survey. And as your skills and experience will grow, so will your bank balance. And secondly, you have medical transcription jobs. You can earn up to $90 to $180 or more per day, and you should expect to get a minimum of USD 2,250 per month, which is an insane amount of money. Then you also have some content writing jobs as well, through which you guys can expect to earn up to $15 to $105 or more and get minimum work of US 375 per month. Now over here, secondly, you also have some affiliate marketing jobs too. With these affiliate marketing jobs, you can expect to make $1,250 per month, and you can earn up to $25 to $400 per day or more. So all in all, like, they give you some of the best opportunities out there that you guys can use to earn money. Now over here, you guys have the option to do tasks and earn online, and of course you guys can also post jobs if you need something done for yourself as well. So now from over here, what you guys have to do is you guys just have to choose online proofreading jobs. Click on more, and then after that, it's gonna take you over to another page. So over here, you guys can basically see more details about this particular position. So you can earn up to $9,000 to $33,000 or more per year, and as your skills and experience will grow, so will your bank balance. You also have the option to work part-time or full-time, and you only need a quiet place for your freelance proofreading work. Now their pay rates are very, very high, and they pay about $0.035 per word, and they also pay up to $0.125 per word as well. And they have proofreading work for 3 hours per day, and your expected earnings are going to be $31 to $58. You also have the option to, of course, work as much as you want. There are no limits, and you guys can also work as little as you want as well. You need to have the basic knowledge of internet and English, and the minimum words accepted are 30 to 50 words per minute typing speed on the computer. Now you guys can quickly do a typing test by simply coming on to typingtest.com. And then after that, from over here, just simply clicking on start test, and then after that, it's gonna give you some text. Just simply type that in over here like I'm doing right now, and then it's gonna let you know your typing speed. So that is how you can basically check your typing speed, and if it's slow, then make sure to just practice and it's gonna get improved. You must be at least 16 years of age as well, and of course after that, you guys can just simply click on apply now. and they're going to ask you for an application. Just simply submit that application and you will be able to get started with their particular application as well. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to actually get started with talentdesire.com. And this was the first website that I had for you. Now let's move on to the second website, which is rev.com. So rev.com is one of the best transcription websites out there, and they have lots and lots of work. So when you guys come on to rev.com, scroll down, and then after that simply click on become a freelancer. So once you click on become a freelancer, that's gonna take you guys over to another page. So once you guys are over to that page, now from over here you guys can create a flexible work schedule. You guys can also see that you can choose from hundreds of jobs. You will also be getting paid weekly once you are approved. So over here you guys can also see that you can work as a transcriptionist or as a captioner. You can listen to audio and video. You can accurately type what is being said. And secondly, as a captioner, you can type in accurately what is being said and creatively convey sounds. You can also sync typed audio with video, and the range of pay is $0.5 to $1 or $0.3 to $1. So over here you guys can also take a quiz to demonstrate your English language and grammar skills. You can also submit a transcription or caption sample, and if you're approved, you'll be able to register and start earning right away. You also have the option to work as a subtitler as well, and over here you guys can see that you can make up to $1.5 to $3 every single minute. Then over here you also have some testimonials from some other people as well, and all of them are saying good stuff. So you have the first testimonials, and over here this woman is saying, my very first week I made $70. My husband gave me the I believe it when I see it speech, so that following Monday I was paid my $70, and I couldn't have been happier. Because of this company, because of the hard work I put in, I'm glad to say that I have helped my family so many times financially. I mean, like, all of that stuff is good to see, and it's really amazing how these websites can really make a big difference. This website has also been featured in the Penny Hoarder, Forbes, the Huffington Post, the Work at Home Wife, Real Ways to Earn, and also Business Insider as well. So you guys can simply click on sign up to be a Rev freelancer, and over here you guys are going to see the option to apply ASAP. So guys, that is how you can get started with Rev. It's very, very easy. It doesn't require anything else whatsoever. Then we have the second website, which is transcribeme.com, and it's very similar to rev.com, but the only thing is that Transcribe Me also has really good rates, but they also have many different niches in which you guys can, of course, do your transcription in. So click on their jobs page, and over here you guys can see that their top monthly earnings are at $2,200 and their average monthly earnings are at $250. Now over here you guys also have the option to be flexible. You have the option to grow and learn. You will also be getting expert training as well. And of course, to get started, you guys can just simply click on get started, and then that's gonna take you over here to their application sign up page. Now from over here you guys can just simply put in your first name, last name, email, password again, and then just simply sign up by simply clicking on create profile. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to actually get started with Transcribe Me. Doesn't take much work, and it gets the job done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This was the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.